Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect my funded futures account to TradingView in 2026. Now, since my funding futures is a pro firm, you can't actually connect it with your TradingView account in just one click. Even if you try to come here on tradingview.com, and when you launch the chart and click on the option of trading panel, you are going to see the list of the trusted brokers. When you use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen and look for the option of my funded futures, you won't be able to find it over here, just like you can see the trusted brokers here. So in this particular situation, what you can do is you can simply come here on myfundedfutures.com. Now, if you don't have an account and you are looking for the 20% off promo code, you can just use it here in the description. I will put the link of the best working promo code here right now. So on this particular page, click on the option of login, then simply provide your login credentials and login into your My Funded Futures account. Now, when it is going to give you your login credentials, you need to open MetaTrader 5 on your web browser. Now click on the option of web terminal. Over here in this particular section, simply provide your login credentials associated with your My Funded Futures account. After that, once you have successfully connected your My Funded Futures account with MT5, you can use TradingView to analyze the chart. For example, you want to analyze the Euro USD chart, so you can use it here. You can use these tools that are available here, and based on your trading skills, if you want to, let's say, long, you can come here in your MetaTrader 5 app. Then you can simply place the order by clicking on the buy option. So this way you will be able to use TradingView and My Funded Future account together. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.